Hi everyone! Superfood bitter gourd is on the menu. Braised bitter gourd with pork belly recipe is an easy to cook dish which is nutritious and yummy. Here are the ingredients. Note that Chinese variety of bitter gourd is used in this recipe. The more mature the bitter gourd is, the more bitter it is. When purchasing a bitter gourd, choose a young bitter gourd which is light green in color and has grooves that are far apart. Here I have a bitter gourd which is a good example of a not so bitter young bitter gourd. Wash and clean the strip of pork belly. Remove any residual hair not removed by the butcher. With the pork belly skin down, cut the pork belly strip into pieces of approximately 2 cm thick. Peel and cut ginger into thin slices. Slice open the chili and then remove the seeds. Slice the chili thinly. Cut the lower half light green portion of the spring onions into lengths of 3 to 4 cm. Set aside the rest for garnishing. Cut the ends of the bitter gourd and cut into halves lengthwise. Look, the seeds for a young bitter gourd should be white like this. If the seeds are reddish orange in color, it means that the bitter gourd has matured and will be very bitter. Use a spoon to scrape out all the seeds and as much pith as possible. Removing the pith will somewhat reduce the bitterness. Don't expect the bitterness to be 100% gone. Some bitterness remains to give this dish an unique and sharp flavor. Rinse the bitter gourd and cut it into pieces. Place the pork belly pieces into a heated pan or wok without oil in medium-high heat. Let the pieces turn white and browning of the surface appears. Remove the pork belly and set aside. Lard oil released from the pork belly is then used to stir fry the ginger, spring onion, chili, and the washed star anise. Fry till fragrant and then add in the pork belly. After a few stir, add in the bitter gourd. Add in light and dark soya sauce. Turn to high heat and stir. Add in water. Cover and let it cook and boil for 10 minutes. This is how it will look like after 10 minutes. At this point, turn to medium-low heat and cover. Simmer for another 20 minutes. It smells wonderful. Give it a final few stirs and scoop the contents out. Garnish with spring onion and voila! It's now ready to be eaten. Scoop up the yummy flavorful sauce and enjoy it with rice or rice porridge. Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.